my hood. This is my hood, yo. No, for real, this is my hood though. I'm almost home. I've been on the road all morning. So yeah. So I'm home for the weekend. I'm off this weekend from work, so that's why I'm coming home. And plus, Christine is matching today for her residency, so her family's all in town. So it's gonna be a fun weekend, and we're pulling up to the crib, yo. What up, moms? Obviously, no one's home. I'm the only one home. Oh, I think my mom is actually home, so I have to get ready because I am hours behind. I was supposed to leave at 6, and I left at 8. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Give me that camera. So, Junior, how was your day today at school, little baby?
Pretty good.
Sit up. Tell people about your college life. I mean, high school life.
My college life is pretty good. I have a nice dorm.
Junior, get up. Is your bathroom clean?
No.
Junior, get up.
I'm up.
Tell people about your new sport. So, Junior, did you join the track team?
Yeah, I'm on the track team now.
Okay, so what are your events that you want to do, or are you going to be doing?
100 meter. High jump. Long jump. You know. That's it for now.
Okay. Hey guys, so mommy and I, we went to Christine's matching ceremony because Christine finishes med school this semester and she matched to do residency in Michigan. So doing OB-GYN, so she'll be the newest OB-GYN doctor in America. So congrats to her. No calling. So Junior, what are we doing tonight? We're just gonna hang out. So Junior and I are just gonna hang out tonight and watch movies, right? We're gonna have a movie night, right, baby? We're gonna have a movie night, right? We're gonna have a movie night. We're gonna have a movie night. Junior? Junior!
What?
I'm talking to you.
Who said
Are we having a movie night or no?
Who said
We're going to be watching film, right? American film,
watching-
Niger film, African film.
We're watching film.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have a movie night tonight, so we're gonna have our snacks and all that. Yeah. So yeah, I'm vlogging on my new camera. Yeah. So I broke my other vlog camera like in New Year's. So I don't remember. Yeah, I did say that. Yeah. So I broke my camera, my vlogging camera on New Year's, my New Year's vlog. So I haven't been able to vlog since then. And like all the places I've been to, like I wanted to vlog, but I was like, I don't have a vlogging camera and stuff. So this weekend I knew I was coming home. And I was like, I wanted to vlog, but I don't have a vlogging camera, but I wish I did. And then someone commented on one of my videos like last night and said, Iffy, like my life is boring, I need you to put up a vlog no matter where you're going, blah blah. And I was just like, I really miss vlogging, and I was like, man, that comment really made me just close my eyes and just say, let me just order a camera, overnight it so I can get it tomorrow and start vlogging. So I did. So I have the new vlogging camera, and it's the Canon PowerShot ELPH 110HS, and it has like autofocus and like image stabilization. So my videos, like my vlog videos, are going to be like a little better quality than they were before. I mean, the camera I had before was really good, and the vlogs were like, you know, I feel like they look really good. So this one is even better. So hopefully you guys notice. So yeah. So tomorrow, do you know what we're doing tomorrow? Yeah, Gina and I are going to go shopping. Can you talk to the people, your fans? They liked the video we did together, remember?
Yeah. We're going shopping.
Yeah, so we're going to go shopping tomorrow. It'll just be a day of Junior and I, right?
Yeah.
We're going to go shopping, and then we're going to have lunch at where? Jimmy John's. And then meet up with Christine. And then Mommy wants to have a movie night. Mommy has like a meeting with the Nigerian community tomorrow, so when she's done with that, then we'll have like a movie night at home and stuff like that. So I'm excited and I just can't hide it. I got what you need. I keep singing that song. Seven Streeter and Chris Brown. I forget the name of this song, but yeah, it's like stuck in my head. Anyways, I'm gonna finish editing this video. So I have a video that I'm uploading. It's what do you call it? My skincare video. So by the time you watch this vlog, it'll already be up and everything like that. But yeah, my skincare video and stuff like that. So there's so many videos I need to record. It's ridiculous. It's just that I record videos when I have daytime time to record, because I like to film just in natural light. So any days that I work, if I start work late in the day and I have enough time to film before work, I can do that. If not, then I just film the next day that I don't have work, so I can have a good enough sunlight, because by the time I get home, if I work late, the sun is already down, so I don't like to film during then. I don't do the lights and all that stuff. So yeah, so what I do is, like, if I have like a day or two or even a weekend, rarely have a weekend, I'll just record all the videos that I planned out in my planner for the month, and then I upload them a couple every week. So that's how it is right now. So yeah, anyways, let me just not make this clip just be like rambling on and on. So I will see you guys a little later. Gina, we'll see you a little later when we're watching the movie, right?
Yeah, a little later, yeah.
In the theater. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so June and I are back from our adventures. So we're gonna do a haul. We're gonna do a shopping haul. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, Juno, you go first. I didn't really get much.
Alright, some of this stuff is in this bag too.
Oh, did I? Oh yeah, I did get some stuff.
So.
Come down.
Alright.
You gonna go first?
Alright. So I got these.
Sit on your comfy bed. Hold on. Okay, so what'd you get?
These joggers.
Mm-hmm. Khaki joggers?
Yeah.
Cool.
First thing. Got some socks right here.
Socks. Expensive socks for no reason.
Hey, there's a lot of them. That's why they're so.
How many? 5?
No. Look.
6?
No. That's a lot.
6.
It's not 6. That should say on here.
It's 6, Junior!
It's not 6.
Junior, look right here. Even look.
No. Yeah, 6.
Okay.
Alright.
Bless you, little baby. Bless you.
Alright, and then I got these tights for running.
For track?
Stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so Junior. Okay, so at Express, I love scarves. I collect a lot of scarves. I like to wear scarves, especially for traveling. Junior? I like to wear scarves for traveling. Because they're a good, like, fast blanket, and they're a good, like, face shield if you're something like someone that smells, or if you want to sleep, go like this and sleep on the thing. So I like to travel with a scarf. So I got this black and white one from Express. I got this blue and white one from Express, and then I got this one, this floral one. And these are on sale for like $14, but I don't buy scarves for $14. I get my scarves at Charlotte Russe for $5. But I only bought it because Junior's pants were not enough for me to use my coupons. So I need to add stuff so I can use the coupons. So that's why I bought those. But Charlotte Russe, $5 scarf. And Junior told me to slap your face back there. Okay, so that was that. And then I love buying shoes at Charlotte Russe. And their sale right now is buy one get one $10. So my first shoe I got are these royal blue pumps with a small platform. And then I got a black pump with a open side, right? Open side in black. So yeah, these were so good. Buy one get one 10, and I had a coupon for 10% off, so these are $40 altogether. So yeah, and that is our haul, right, Jenner?
Yeah.
Right. Give me the camera, cause you acted dumb back there. And my apartment is a mess because when I left late, so I didn't get time to clean up. So I have work tomorrow. I work 8 to 5 tomorrow, so I have to be in bed so I have enough sleep for the day. I get off at 5, which I'm happy about, so I can come home before the sun is down. So yeah, so for dinner, I'm going to have rice and stew. I have stew made that I have stew in the fridge that I made last week. And it's so good. That stew I made. Ha! So sweet. So I'm just gonna boil some rice so I can have that stew. Who'll be messaging me? I'm gonna make some tea. What tea am I gonna drink tonight? This tea that I have, this caramel apple dream, this tea is so good. And like caramel's like one of my favorite flavors, so ooh, this tea is so good. And it smells like I just baked some like caramel cinnamon rolls or something when I make my tea, 'cause it smells so good. So my water is ready for my tea. Oh man, do I really like have not that much rice? I could have sworn I bought a new bag. Hey Jesus, we ain't got rice in this house. Chineke. Oh my gosh, I really don't have rice. I should have taken some rice home if I would have known. Jerome, how come we ain't got rice? Okay, well, dang. Okay, I have rice, but I hope this will be enough for me. It should. Okay, let me wash this thing right here. Now, serving first for me is a 1/4 a cup. If I'm extra hungry that day, I may spill over on my 1/4 a cup. But today, since we're really low on rice, let's hope we at least get a 1/4 cup. Are we gonna get a 1/4 cup? Oh, splendid. We have more than enough. So let's just stuff the whole bag in here. Just call it tonight, huh? Okay. We good. I'm off today, and I was so tired last night when I got off work that I came home, had my cup of tea, I had dinner, and then I sat on my couch and I wanted to like check my email, you know, pay my bills, all this stuff. And then I woke up this morning at 7:30 and I was still sleeping on my couch. All right, now we just got to servicing, and I will see you guys soon. I wonder what car they give me. They give me the M class. Cause my car is small. I'm not used to small cars. My car is like a small SUV. So when they give me like big cars, I'm like, woohoo, joyriding. I'm on my way to the gym. Let's go to the gym. Hopefully it's empty, because I don't know about you guys. Do you guys ever feel like not going to the gym because it's like a popular time of the day and there's gonna be a lot of people and be crowded? Like, I hate going to the gym when it's like peak times, because I just get so like claustrophobic and like shy when there's like everyone and their grandma working out at the same time and everyone's just like looking at you. I'm like, don't look at me. So yeah, so hopefully all the morning workout people that wake up at like 5 a.m. are out to work now. All the soccer moms, they can go to the gym now. It's fine, I can work out with y'all. Hopefully there's like a class going on, so I would like to do like a Zumba or a kickboxing, but I don't even remember the schedule, so we'll see. Junior is cleaning his shoes. Sneakerhead. That's what you call those people. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? It's because he can't see me, that's why.
No, I can see you.
What am I doing?
Recording you.
Oh, I didn't know you can see that far, baby.
It's not even that far.
It's not even that far. Junior. Junior, just open the door. I need to vlog.
You go vlog.
Hey guys, so anyways, we're back at home. I had a rough week. Very rough week. I'll be back. Anyways, yeah, I had a rough week. Work was crazy busy. But yeah, we're here. Back at home. Junior spent the whole week with me. I thought I would vlog, but there was like no chance to vlog because I got home late from work every day and stuff. We would go out and do stuff, but too tired to do anything. So yeah, but we're back. Nothing epic happened. Well, my birthday happened. But let me talk about my birthday. So my birthday was on Wednesday, and after I got off work at 1, and we went to shopping. I bought all the stuff that I've been saving up to buy for my birthday. Got all that. Went shopping, mall, got ice cream, everything. It was a perfect day. I was so happy. And thank you for all the birthday wishes that you guys sent me, like on Instagram and everything. Like I saw all of them. Thank you. I had a really nice day. All those wishes like really made my day and everything like that. So thanks. Another thing about this week, like I really didn't want to vlog because last weekend when I was here, my soap that I used for my face was all gone. I used Junior soap and my skin reacted with it, so my whole face had these like little tiny like rashes, like bumps, like tiny rashes all over my face, and my face itched so bad, and I just didn't feel good about anything, so I definitely wasn't vlogging and stuff like that. But I let it like go down for a couple of days, took some like Claritin, and then I didn't wash my face or anything for a couple of days, and then yesterday I exfoliated my face to help take off like the skin because it started to peel. And then today again I exfoliated again, and I think today it's not all the way back, but it's the best it's been so far. So hopefully by tomorrow I'm gonna exfoliate again tonight, and then exfoliate on Saturday. So hopefully it'll be back to normal and stuff like that. But it's just so weird how just my face just really just like killed my mood because of the rashes and just being so itchy. It was so itchy. And you can't like scratch your face. So I was going like this the whole time, like this, and like tapping. Oh, it was so bad. But anyways, back at home. I hope Inky comes today because she gets off work at 6, but I doubt she's gonna come. But she'll probably come tomorrow. And then my dad wrote a book. He's on his second book. He just wrote a second book, and it just got published. And he's having a book signing tomorrow, so we're having an event tomorrow at this winery. So that's why I'm back also, and to celebrate my birthday with the family and all that stuff. So yeah, the book signing is tomorrow. I'll tell about the book maybe tomorrow because I don't know where the book is right now. Ooh, I'm so tired. When I say I had a rough week, I had a rough week.
I can't see you, bro.
I can see you, bro.
Like, what do you want?
Junior! I just want everyone to see your technique.
Oh my God, no. Leave me alone.
We're here.
This is not, no, it's not film worthy.
Junior! Junior! Let me just see it, jeez. Junior, just get up. Stop acting dumb.
Oh. There's nothing to see.
What if I need to change the settings on my camera?
You might need to.
Anyway, just talk.
What do you want me to say?
Junior.
I don't have anything to say.
Okay, don't say anything. I was just watching. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I had a fun time.
I want you to come back.
Yeah, I will.
You're gonna leave me all alone.
I will one time.
Yeah, anyways, we saw... Ooh, so bright. What movie did we see?
We saw two. We saw Get Hard and
Oh yeah,
Furious 7.
we saw Furious 7 and we saw Get Hard. It was okay. What are you looking at? Is it good?
Camera here?
Junior had practice.
Oh, what?
Junior had practice.
Yeah, I had practice.
Good morning. Good morning. Today's day of the event. Good morning. Good morning. I'm in Junior's room. But I was trying to wake him up, but he's hiding now. Thought you were gonna go back to your bed, little baby. Are you gonna sleep downstairs? Guess I'll come with you then.
Oh, God.
The event was at 2. I still have morning face, so please don't mind these, please. So the event starts at 2 o'clock. Meet you at the door at 2 o'clock. So they'll start from the 2. But it's like 9:30 right now, so I'm gonna start getting ready. Gotta curl my hair, gotta do my makeup, get my clothes. So yeah, I don't know why, but I have so much energy this morning. And Inky's not even here yet, but she's supposed to be here. She's supposed to be at the door at 10 o'clock. Anyways, I'm gonna do my hair. I'll be right back.
Let's stand on this way because it's gonna be dark. Hey guys, so we're at the book signing event. Me and Junior. You know, you in the frame?
In the frame, yeah.
So we just got here early so we could take pictures and stuff. Not that many people here yet, but I just want to show you guys a little bit. I can't even talk. Excuse me, guys. Okay, so this is. I'm gonna show you guys the book.
Thank you.
Okay, Junior, your turn to vlog.
Sir?
Vlog me. Okay, so we're at the book signing. Oh, hold on.
My oldest child.
Guys, so we're at the event, having my little, I finished my food. I'm about to get some more.
All the intro stuff I did, you just like delete that part.
No.
It was pretty bad.
Yeah, so we're here. It's, you know, finger food and stuff. There's our bar.
Yeah, I saw it.
There's my dad over here.
I like it.
Yeah, as
Everybody.
no, me and Daddy. You gotta publish yourself.
Have you been published? Mm-hmm. In what? So, Junior, are you having a good time? What did you eat?
I had pineapple and some unleavened bread. I'm gonna get some more.
Hi, guys. Eyebrows over.
Is there a problem?
No. Yeah, so we here up in the train.
Are you competing with them? You can have your own stuff. Are you competing with them? No, she got a finish. I don't like you. Do I have to choke on this card?
Okay, mommy's coming. Let's see what she has to say.
She ain't got knit. She ain't got knit. She's gonna make one of
You know you want to come over here, so what's going on? Did you eat?
I'm telling you now, this
got more
unleavened,
than unleavened.
this unleavened bread is the truth.
Junior!
Did you eat this thing?
No, that's not what I said.
Let it go. You said it's a treat, mommy.
He left Harvard Medical School, Massachusetts General Hospital, as an attending cardiologist in 1994 to become an associate director of Procter & Gamble Pharmaceutical. He then left Procter & Gamble in 1996 and returned to clinical medicine. He had missed having the one-on-one relationship with patients. He is married with 3 children. His latest book is a beautiful book about love, overcoming barriers, and life's early lessons that help forge in each one of us a spirit of believing despite the odds. And now it is my pleasure to introduce to you my boss, my friend, and an author of Love's Affliction, Dr. Fidelis McCurdo.
And my family And I don't know, my kids are here. I think they're bored too. My son is here. He's trying to be taller than me. He's 15 years old. I don't know where he's going, but I'm not going to be looking up to you. And my daughters are here. The jet setters. And one of them called in this morning. She was supposed to be in my house yesterday, but showed up today. So overall, it's okay, thanks. And by the way, it's not a biography. A lot of people think this is a biography. It's not. It's not. I know you guys will have questions down the line, but I wanted to put down things that people will understand. Some of the younger immigrants, not immigrants, young kids and things like that. But the main thing is about this book is perseverance. No matter how hard things get, always tell yourself you're going to make it, and you'll make it. That's just the bottom line.
Oh, really? Oh, the little bottles? And then each person got a slate to take home. That was really, oh my gosh. Did you have fun? We had a big lunch.
How you doing? Pretty good. All right. How do you want me to
Okay, so the book signing is over.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Does it say it's recording or not?
Oh, it does.
My God. Anywho, people, the book signing is over. It was very good. A good turnout. It was fun. My dad told some stories about back in the day in Nigeria and like when he first came to America and like his struggles and stuff like that, which is kind of like what the book is about. So,
Am I going the right way?
whoa, Ify, I think this is a one-way road.
Are you serious? Lie.
I think he was driving the wrong way down a one-way road.
I need
What?
to get out of here.
It's a one-way road, isn't it?
I don't know.
Does Daddy come this way?
But I think that thing said one lane bridge. I think you take turns going out.
Oh,
I don't know.
I don't know.
There was no
Anywho.
other way to get out.
Yeah, but did Daddy go this way? Oh yeah, he's
Yeah,
up
he
there.
did.
Okay,
He did.
I guess it is a two-way road. Whatever.
I think that thing said one lane bridge, so you have to make sure you just take turns.
One at a time.
He's leaving.
No.
Yes, right here.
I know I have it in my hand. I just don't know where.
This is what I look like when I'm at home in my bonnet. I hope you guys don't mind my look right now. I took my hair off. Inky's leaving. Inky, don't leave us. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Jesse and Gina's camera would be able to see, right? Yeah.
What?
Focus on mommy's face. Perfect.
Don't do anything I don't.
Junior. Is Inky coming back? Say her last goodbyes. Anyways, mommy, so what are we doing tonight?
I'm going to go and take a shower because
Are we
I'm
gonna do
already in
movies and
trouble.
wine? Junior, what are we doing tonight? Junior! Get down from there.
I love you. Be careful. Be careful. Watch out. Okay.
I will. Hi, Ify.
Don't leave
When
us.
do we see you again?
Don't leave
Not
us.
sure. Ify.
Maybe when we don't see you, we come in May after.
But you said you were coming to my place to go swimming.
Yeah, the both places.
Yeah, we will. I'll be there. We'll go to Kings Island this time.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Inky, gotta go.
When?
Kings Island.
I know I said when.
Oh no.
Actually, when you said Kings Island.
Let's go.
When are we going to Kings Island?
No, Memorial Day weekend.
Memorial
We're gonna be in
Day.
Chicago
We are.
for Christine's party.
Oh, Saturday, Kaiga, Gada. I don't know why I kept
To Christine's party?
Your own, then
Oh, you're
we
driving?
sleep.
Why are you? Why?
Oh, you're driving?
It's
Mommy,
7 hours.
so I have
What
a
are we supposed to
question.
do?
So I have a question. So
Why?
when we go to the wedding in June, am I not getting a ticket or am I not part of that? Or
You are.
You are. You
Yeah,
just
but
don't know your
you-
schedule.
you don't- nobody knows about when you are
Yeah.
going down.
Stop.
Yeah? Oh, you be born if you got time win there, Jay. Man,
I'm just
You
checking
might be
because it
getting a
sounded like I
ticket.
wasn't included.
No, we got-
Friday. like us?
Yeah, I'm going on
Right.
Friday.
Well, I'm leaving Friday because
Actually-
I think I get off work at
Why don't
5.
we all just go Friday?
I get off work at 5
We
that
never
day.
go schedule.
You're going
Yeah,
on Friday?
because I don't work that weekend, so I always get off at 5 on Friday.
Okay.
If I work that Friday.
We'll try to go at the same time.
Mom,
Try to coordinate
let's
that.
all go at the same
It's
time.
already cutting it.
Right? Shouldn't we all go at the same time?
I mean, but she has to work.
I have
Yeah, but the
things-
party's on
do
Saturday,
you
so
have
how
to
is that
do?
cutting it close?
What do you have to do
Like,
on Wednesday? And the
Yeah,
party's
close
on
the
Saturday.
Telaka.
Oh my.
I'm
no,
not
we're talking
really-
about Christine's party.
Oh, I'm not talking about that.
Okay.
Yeah,
We're talking
you
about
are-
the wedding.
about wedding.
We're talking
Yeah.
about the wedding.
Oh, the wedding. I'll probably work till 5 that thing. But I can switch with someone
You have to
if I can
switch.
work all day Thursday and then be off Friday.
I'll see if I can. If I don't work weekends, I'll see if I can ask.
So that
off
means
for
that I
Friday.
might have to work 2 13s in a week, and I hate doing that.
When can I say 2:13?
I don't know. We'll see.
2:13 hours.
Yeah.
You did.
Yeah, I don't like doing that.
Oh,
You have
this
problems.
is gonna touch you.
They're not dreads. What if he has a real dread?
Macaron and Siantife, what a visa they will be in.
Really?
Dallas.
Wait. Oh wow! We're just enjoying the sunshine. It's a beautiful spring day. We just got back from church, and I'm planning on leaving soon to go back to my apartment. Got work tomorrow. Yeah, I think I want to leave in like 30 minutes. I think I have enough footage to upload and edit this vlog. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And wonder how my schedule is like coming up to see when I'll be vlogging next. April. This weekend I work. The weekend after that I'm off. And I don't know if I'm going to go to New York with Inky, because you know Inky and I are planning on going to New York. I may go to New York with Inky, go to Pittsburgh with Nike. So we'll see. We'll see how it is. Depends on what Inky's schedule is like, because we really want to go to New York. So yeah. Toesies. Glad I got my nails done. My toesies done. They're just shining in the sunshine. So over there, Junior is icing his Jordans. Don't ask me what it means, because I really don't know. Anyways. So yeah. So this week I work every day except for Thursday. So Thursday will be a busy day for me with all my to-do list. Oh, and I want to get a planner. There's this planner that I want to order. I need a planner in my life. So there's this really nice planner that I want to order. So I'm going to order it tonight when I get home, so I can be more organized. There's someone at the window. So yeah. Woo. Yeah, anyways, I think this will be the end of the vlog. This will be if I can get home and edit it and upload it tonight, that would be perfect. Anyways, yeah. So this is the end of the vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask. Actually, no, I wanted to say one thing. I'm gonna have a closet sale this week, so watch out for that. I'll probably announce it on Thursday, so watch out for that. And I want to know, all of you guys that are watching, what city do you live in? Because this summer I'll be traveling to a couple places for like family weddings and all that stuff, and I like to just know where you guys live, so if there's a lot of people in the city that I'll be in, I know we can have like a little lunch or something. I feel like that would be so fun. A lunch or a brunch or something. Anyways, let me know where y'all live, and even in European countries too, because this summer I'll be traveling to Europe with my cousin. Junior, you have a problem? No. Okay. Traveling to Europe. So if y'all live in any European countries, let me know. Let me know. Anyways, this is the end of the vlog, as I said before. And I'm enjoying this sun. And I'll see you guys next time. And I'll do a birthday haul too. So yeah, anyways, deuces.